Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 15th through to the 16th of June 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now we have seen explosive moves on commodities following on from Wednesday's FOMC statement where the Federal Reserve, they paused interest rate hikes, and then we've further seen the European Central Bank on Thursday. They have gone ahead with their expected increase in rate hikes. So with that, we have then seen the dollar absolutely melt to the downside, and this has set a rocket underneath commodity prices. Everything that we talked you through on the week ahead commodity report, all the trade setups that we've been discussing with you to expect a summer of profits for commodities. Today we have natural gas prices. They've broken out 9% to the upside. Crude oil is up 1.5%. We've got gold that has broken out 300 points from the lows. You've got platinum prices. They've broken out over 250 points today. We've locked in 800 points this week on palladium, 300 points on copper. We have multiple positions on commodities right now. We're currently long crude oil. We're long copper. We're long platinum, we're long palladium, we are long natural gas, we are long gold, and all of them have had explosive moves. Every single trade in our portfolio with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, every single position is in profit, and this is just after Wednesday's FOMC statement, Thursday's European Central Bank, the whole trade playbook we discussed with you. All of this has played out. Now on Friday, next major news item to have on the radar is going to be Friday's quad witching, and I would suggest don't get tricked by the price action you're seeing at the moment in the market. I'm keeping an eye out for any opportunities on Friday to add on a red day. So if we were to see, for example, profit taking once we hit the US session tomorrow, bear in mind we've got the multiple contract closures as we go into tomorrow. So the simultaneous closure of contracts with traders taking profit off the table as you get towards the end of the day into quad witching. This could create another dip on commodity prices, an opportunity to add if we were to get a pullback. That's not a guarantee, but it's a setup that I'm looking at in the market for Friday. So often it's very common to get this breakout to the upside after the European Central Bank announcement. But then on the Friday, only really once you start hitting the US session onwards. So think 2-3 o'clock London time in the afternoon onwards. It's normally later on in the day. This is where you can see more profit taking, another dip. Especially keep an eye on the energies and metals for this. The energies in particular can be vulnerable to that selling pressure later on in the day on a Friday. If that does happen, this could provide another opportunity to sniper in and build out further positions. Bear in mind as well, next week on the Monday, the USA are on a public holiday. So during times of thinner liquidity, this can often provide more exaggerated moves in the market, and often this can be another catalyst for commodity prices. So we've had back-to-back fantastic opportunities this week to capitalize, bank into strength, as I mentioned, on the major news items. If you get breakouts to the upside, for example, on palladium and copper, we're looking to lock in more profit. The palladium profits have been extremely fast. Note on Friday, palladium broke down to 4-year lows. We identified that setup with you on the week ahead commodity report. If you missed that report, just go ahead, rewatch the week ahead commodity report from the start of the week. We talked you through the opportunity on palladium. So from Monday through to Wednesday, palladium has broken out 800 points. So we've locked in profits here. And again, for that calculation, every 1 lot contract you'll be trading, that's $8,000 of profit. Every 10 lot contract you'll be trading, that's $80,000 of profit. That's been delivered in just a matter of 3 days here. These are the sort of profits that can be generated right now in the commodity markets. And if you're not making money at the moment in these markets, especially if you're watching our reports, you absolutely should be. We've been talking you through the back-to-back opportunities to capitalize, but we're only getting started. We're not even hitting the month of July yet. July and August tend to be some of the biggest months here, especially in the current cycle that we are in with commodities. We definitely do not want you to miss out. This comes down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Definitely ditch those outdated technical analysis strategies or gimmicky technical indicators. They're not going to help you in 2023. They're going to give you absolutely no edge. You want to be utilizing and understanding the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity. Further align that with the key areas of liquidity, the capital flows in the market, very important, the geopolitics, the fundamentals, alongside that institutional and central bank buying in the market, and then further align this with how the hedge funds, money managers, the banks institutions, how they are all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.